Hello, and welcome to the sponsorship video at Imigroup. Canadian citizens and permanent residents of Canada over the age of 18 may sponsor close family members who live abroad to immigrate to Canada. In this video, we will explain the process of sponsoring a person to Canada, spousal sponsorships, proving the relationship is genuine, sponsoring dependent family members, criminal and health examinations, and same-sex sponsorships. Canada maintains a social component within its immigration objectives, and this is clearly demonstrated in its commitment to family reunification. A family class sponsorship will allow you to sponsor your spouse, common law partner, conjugal partner, dependent children, parents, grandparents, grandchildren in special cases, or orphan relatives. Each subdivision in this category has its own requirements that you must meet in order for your application to be successful. What does it mean to sponsor someone? Sponsoring another person to immigrate to Canada means that a person will immigrate to Canada under the sponsor's guard. As a sponsor, you must undertake certain responsibilities for the well-being of your family member. Most importantly, the sponsor agrees to ensure the welfare of the group he sponsored. Should any of the people who were sponsored receive government assistance, the sponsor must pay back the amount that was given by the government. The sponsor of the applicant takes responsibility for all the family members enclosed in the application. Spouse and common law sponsorships. Spouses and common law partners and dependent children are the major components of the family class. In the case of a spouse, a common law partner or a conjugal partner, you will have to prove to Citizenship and Immigration Canada that the relationship is genuine. The important part of this type of application is to prove that your partner wishes to live with you in Canada and not just live in Canada. Your application will be refused if it is shown that the relationship exists with the sole purpose of bringing the person to Canada. How can I prove my relationship is genuine? Some suggested documents that can help prove your relationship is genuine are as follows: a marriage certificate, proof of frequent communication, such as emails, letters, or phone calls, photographs, passport stamps showing you have traveled to your partner's city of residence, joint agreements you have signed with your partner, such as bank accounts or leases. Who can be included on my sponsorship application? Along with your spouse or common law partner, the application for permanent residence may include any children who are under the age of 22, even if they are from a previous relationship of the principal applicant. If you are sponsoring any close family members, you must provide evidence that proves that you are related. If you are sponsoring a dependent child, they must be under 22 years of age and not in a common law or marital relationship. There are special circumstances when you may sponsor your children who are over the age of 22. They must be full-time students and financially dependent on their parents. What are the criminal and medical examinations required? All applicants who will be immigrating to Canada must undergo a criminal and security check. Should they have a criminal record, they will be deemed inadmissible to the country. They must also undergo a medical examination. The Canadian government will only accept medical exams from physicians it has designated as capable to perform a medical exam. What if I want to sponsor my same-sex partner? Same-sex marriage is legal nationwide in Canada. This means that you may sponsor your same-sex partner, assuming your relationship meets certain requirements. If you are sponsoring your spouse and were married in Canada, your marriage must have taken place after same-sex marriage was legalized in the province or territory that issued your marriage certificate. If you are sponsoring your spouse and were married outside of Canada, your marriage must have taken place in a country where same-sex marriage was legal at the time. If you are sponsoring a common law partner, the same regulations apply to same-sex couples. We hope this video will help you with your sponsorship application. If you have any further questions or wish to speak with a representative from Imigroup, please contact us toll-free at 1-866-760-2623 or visit our website at www.imigroup.com. We wish you the best of luck.